Good day, YouTubers. Welcome to Do It Yourself and How To. Today's video is about unboxing. I've just received those packages, I should say big boy toys, don't get me wrong, and I will be doing an unboxing of them. This is an impact socket set. It's free drive. Comes in a nice handy case. The case is not all that there. Opening and closing a couple times, which means you would lose the case because the latch is all plastic. The hinge is a continuous plastic with damage. It is 17 millimeter up to 19 millimeter. As you can see, it's impact sockets, deep. The next one is sockets also. This one is 1/2-inch drive. Shallow sockets, although it's supposed to be impact, but it doesn't look so. This is so scarce, but I'll be testing it out and see. It's 11 millimeter to 32 millimeter. Also a socket tray, 80-piece socket tray. You would call it a organizer to organize your socket. I have 2 of them. Also a torque wrench, a free torque wrench. Goes to 10 to 80 pounds, 13.6 to 108.5 millimeters. I think I said that right. Whenever the impact wrench is not in use, it's always wise to set it back on the lowest number. As you can see, freeze drive. Also a 1/2 inch. The 1/2 inch I opened already. Set to the lowest. Inline spark plug checker, as you can see. Which, when the time comes, I would be doing a review on them, or just testing it out on my vehicle. A Tradespro freeze impact wrench. It came with the impact battery, and charger. That's all. It doesn't have the bells and whistles like the others, which has the battery tester on it. It's just a little simple for a do-it-yourself like me. And this one, this case is much better than the other cases. This one comes with battery charger, which you just take it and you plug it in. It has a little smell, I guess, because it's new. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sockets and a reducer, 1/4 inch to 3/8. The sockets 3/8 and an extension. 2 batteries. It has a safety lock right here. If you take it and you drop it down and you fall on the trigger, it won't start. The battery. Put the switch on, the safety switch, the trigger locks. Easy as that. The next toy I received ball joint puller, 5 piece ball joint puller. And the final one for now this is this baby here. When the time comes, I'll be doing a demonstration with the tools for you all to see how they performed. I've got some more, but I'll be doing another review sometime down the line. First, I'll concentrate on these, organize my sockets and everything. The inline tester, I'll be doing just testing it out on the vehicle to see how it's performing, which the vehicle doesn't have a problem, but I'll just do a little test. I'll be putting everything that's here in the description below, a link in the description below, that if you're interested you could order. that's it for now. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Any comments, put it below. Tell me what you think of the video, this video so far. Until the next review, this is Pcaltech, do it yourself, signing out. Peace.